Okay, this next video we're going to show you how to make a news item on the Arrowhead app. Obviously the first thing you need to do is get into this. It's gallusgolf.com. So once you're here, you'll log in and it'll take you to this. So the first thing you want to do is customize the app. Go to news. Okay, here we are. Here are the news items that are on the app. On the app, there's a section where there's news, and they can see what's going on. So it's up to us to update it here. So I have the Big Hole Classic right now. I have this test here. Right here, this will be whether or not it's featured, which means it's the top billing on the app, the top news item. And right now, this test is the #1 thing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new news item. So I just go add a news item. I am going to do one for leagues. And I've already pre-written this information to save time. If this was something that we were doing for like a tournament, you would just go to the website and snag the information and copy it and paste it in here. And you've seen that in these other videos how to do that. So I want this to be a featured item, so I'm going to check that. So this will be the featured item. Now, what if I don't like this picture? Or what if I don't like any of these pictures? Well, we can go here and upload our own. I'm going to choose a file. And again, PicMonkey. Check the video out on PicMonkey to get our pictures. We've gone through that. I'm going to assume you know how to do that now. And there, so I've got the new picture there. I'm going to click add. And there you go. You see it popped up here. This is now the featured item. This test, this is old news. We're beyond that. And once we're beyond that, we want to delete it. So we don't want the old news to sit there and hang out. So we're going to delete it. Is it okay? Yes. Now that's gone. This is our top billing now, followed by the Big Hole Classic. All these other items that we do, we'll start it up. Now if you were to do a league, or I'm sorry, if you were to do a tournament, you would put the date of the tournament on there and fill it out accordingly. So that's how that's done. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know. Might be cool to download the app so you can see what this all looks like from your phone and what the customer sees. But other than that, you'll be good to go. Thank you.